The world is observing International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women today, while women in the occupied Kashmir continue to be haunted by Indian state terrorism, injustice, atrocities, fear, agony, and howls of pain inflicted by India. According to a report released by the Kashmir Media Service in connection with the day, India has designed its own legal license by Draconian laws to target the sanctity and dignity of the Kashmiri women, particularly after 5th August 2019. The Modi regime, Indian Army, paramilitary and police personnel and their agencies have legal cover to openly pursue their evil agenda by targeting, detaining and passing derogatory remarks about the Kashmiri women. Convener of All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir Chapter Mahmood Ahmed Sagar, in a statement issued in Islamabad, has said that the International Day of Elimination of Violence Against Women is being observed worldwide today. However, women in the occupied Kashmir are constantly being subjected to violence by Indian troops. Sagar said Kashmiri women are bravely facing the Indian brutalities and playing an important role in the ongoing freedom movement. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has welcomed the appointment of Lieutenant General Sahir Shamshad Mirza as Pakistan's new chairman, Joint Chiefs of the Staff Committee, and Lieutenant General Asim Munir as Chief of the Army Staff. The APHC spokesman, in a statement issued in Srinagar, thanked Pakistan for its continued moral, political and diplomatic support for the Kashmiris in their struggle for right to self-determination. Incarcerated senior leader of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference, Shabir Ahmed Shah, has expressed serious concern over the rising incidents of Indian state terrorism in occupied Kashmir. Shabir Ahmed Shah, in a message sent from New Delhi's infamous Tihar jail, said that killing innocent youth during the so-called cordon and search operations and fake encounters has become a routine matter for the Indian troops in the occupied Kashmir. Hindutva goons physically assaulted 3 Muslim students in a college in Surat city of the Indian state of Gujarat. The incident's video footage has gone viral on the social media. In the video, a group of Hindutva goons wearing handkerchiefs as masks can be seen thrashing the Muslim students. Hindutva terrorists killed a Muslim man, Ibrahim Pathan, and injured Kamaruddin in the Indian state Rajasthan. Tension erupted after the killing of a Muslim youth in Bhilwara district of the state. The police blocked the roads, but the killers were not caught.